The geometrical construction of molecules, or we can say that representation of molecules. As in previous lecture, I've teach you about the construction or hybridization of the molecules. So hybridization, or we can say that geometrical representation of a molecule, means construction or shape of that molecule. So there are three conditions of the molecule: whether a molecule can be at the linear form, it can be at the trigonal form, or it can be at the tetrahedron form. Now this form means that there are two bondings, or we can say that there is a single bond between two molecules or electrons. But in the second condition, there are three bondings and it is in the form of the triangle. So it is known as trigonal planar. And in the third condition, it is at the kind of the kite, but there are four bondings. So it is called tetrahedron. Now degree here in the linear form is 180, and the trigonal form is 120, in the tetrahedron form is 109.5. So we know that in the molecules, most of the molecules have pair, or we can say that we call those pairs lone pair. So when there are lone pair in the shape, their geometry is bit different. Like as I told you, in the linear form there is 180 degree, in the planar form there is 120. So just suppose in the trigonal form there is a single lone pair, so it will affect its geometrical representation. If we have one lone pair in the geometrical representation, its degree would be 107. If we have two, so its degree would be 104. Now there is a thing that to be noted: the most energy is in the single electron, or we can say that an empty or valence electron. The high energy is in the lone pair, and the least energy is in the bond. If we are talking about the high energy, that's in the, we can say that lone pair. So its high energy from the single electrons make it feel like a dumbbell, and if we are representing it, it will be represented like this. Steps to represent the molecule. The first step states that the central atom. Now we know that central atom means the center of the atom or molecule. Just suppose that there is a molecule CH4. So here we will identify that which will be the center. So for that we'll see that the how many of the electrons are there working at that place. Just suppose that we have 4 atoms of the hydrogen, but still we have only single atom of the carbon. So here the central atom would be carbon because of the less, we can say that, participation. Second step is valency filling. Like just suppose that we have placed the, we can say that, carbon at the center, and in the CH4 we have just stated 4 electrons in the 90-degree angle across the carbon. So if we are talking about the valence filling, so we will combine this electron with the valency of carbon. All these electrons would be connected as the valence orbit. In the third part, hybridization. In this hybridization, we will include the axes. Like we will combine that in which axis which electron would be. So after that, we will be able to make a complete shape of that. Just suppose that in the CH4, the complete representation would be something like this. It's a bit different, but it's representation like this, because we know that in the S shell, or I'll be teaching you about that in the upcoming videos. So just suppose that that shape would be after hybridization of the orbitals. So That's all about today's lecture, and thank you so much for the detailed representation of different molecules. You can watch my all upcoming videos.